Hey everybody, I hope everyone's having a good day. This is Precious. We rescued him as a baby and we tried to find the owner and it didn't happen, so he's part of our family, the MM family. He likes to come in the bathroom. I think it's cooler in here. Okay, I'm gonna leave you alone and let you go back to sleep. Hey Winnie, my daughter rescued Winston about 10 years ago from a breeding mill, and at this place in New Jersey he was not treated well at all. He was in a tiny little cage with another dog, and my daughter used to groom him when people were coming over to buy puppies, and one day she just decided to go to the place and rescue him, and she just went in and took him, and that's how we got Winnie. And Lucky over here, he's up. Okay, he heard a motorcycle go by. We rescued him. He kept getting returned at the pet store, and so I noticed him online and I went and got him. So yeah, they were just trying to get rid of him, and everybody who took him home just kept bringing him back, so I figured I'm gonna try. So that's Lucky.